Hello everyone. In the video, we are going to cover 5 best pool covers for in-ground pools in the market, which are the best for you considering some unavoidable factors that you might miss out without watching this video. Here, we are going to give you an impartial review to help you out to find the best from a plenty of irrelevant products. For more info and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, make sure to check the links in the description below. Let's start. Number 1. Our best pick is Sun 2 Solar Blue Cover for in-ground pools. If you want a warm in-ground pool without inflating your electricity bill, this is the best pool cover to consider. It allows UV light to pass through to heat the pool water, thanks to the bubble design that helps harness the sun's heat and dissipates it to the water below while also retaining the heat under, thus acting as a solar blanket when there's no sunshine. This solar pool cover also features a waterproof vinyl construction to prevent vapor from passing through, ultimately reducing water evaporation by up to a whopping 95%. The cover measures 16 by 36 feet, although you can also get it in several other sizes to fit all kinds of pools. Furthermore, the vinyl is trimmable so as to customize a perfect fit for uniquely shaped pools. It also comes in an appealing blue or clear color, both effective in light/heat penetration and preventing contamination from dirt and debris. Number 2. Our second best pick is Robelle Super Pool Cover for in-ground swimming pools. This is possibly the best in-ground pool winter cover, excelling at keeping your pool clean throughout the cold season. This winter cover is made of heavy-duty polyethylene, which is great at preventing dirt and debris from passing through. It also prevents UV light from passing through, equally protecting your pool from algae growth. But since it's waterproof, rain and melting snow can form puddles on the cover. This one comes in several sizes to give you plenty of options to choose from. It's available in several colors, ensuring you can always get a pool cover that appeals to your eyes. Each size also features water bag loops every 4 feet, a 5-foot overlap, includes 5 feet of extra material beyond pool size, making this cover easier to install, included in cover size above, in a high-quality 8x8-inch scrim. Number 3. Our third best pick is Blue Wave in-ground pool cover. If your biggest contention is the mess caused by decaying leaves in fall, this cover is certainly the best bet for in-ground pools. As for its construction, it's made of woven polyethylene, making it remarkably durable but still impressively lightweight. Unfortunately, this also means that it can't hold up a lot of weight. For this reason, it's mostly installed on top of winter pool covers. This might be an added cost, but this leaf net cover is relatively cheap. Typically, it comes as a 20 by 40 feet rectangular cover, although you can also get it in other sizes from 12 by 20 feet all the way to 30 by 50 feet. This trimmable pool cover also features a 4-foot overlap for custom fits, particularly for people with uniquely shaped pools. Number 4. Our fourth best pick is Poolmate Winter Pool Cover for in-ground pools. If affordability is a critical consideration for you, this pool cover comes at a very attractive price and still gets the job done quite well. It's well built, made of heavy-duty polyethylene to prevent UV rays from passing through. This makes it effective at stopping the growth of algae. It's designed to protect your pool from dirt and debris in harsh winter conditions. However, it also prevents snow from melting through, which can form puddles on the cover. It comes in multiple sizes so as to fit almost any kind of pool. Regardless of the size, each pool cover features a 5-foot overlap meant to cover most copings for an easier installation. It also includes water tube loops, although the tubes have to be bought separately. This pool cover is lightweight, making it easy to carry in and out of storage. Number 5. Our fifth best pick is YardGuard Deck Lock System Safety Cover for Pools. This is arguably one of the best in-ground pool covers for several good reasons. First, it comes with a brass anchoring system that is fixed into the concrete. Subsequently, dual stainless steel springs are attached to support the whole mesh over the pool. This cover itself is made of a strong material that allows water to pass through but filters out any silt and debris to maintain a clean pool. This is triple stitched along the entire perimeter and stress points. It's then protected by rub strips that provide extra reinforcement while also protecting the pool's surface. The whole unit is resistant to UV, rot, mildew formation and damage from harsh pool water. This makes it one of the most hygienic and durable covers for in-ground pools. Make sure to check the links in the description below. That's all for this review. Feel free to share your feedback.